So it's important for us to understand exactly what a realtor does, especially in today's world of just click and go on either your phone, a tablet, or a computer. What exactly do they do? Well, they're the advocates or a guide to help you navigate through the entire process. They'll be the experts in those neighborhoods that you want to end up living in, generally a large portion of the area that you're able to understand what you like and what you don't like about those homes. And a lot of times they've been into those homes a few times, maybe not exactly that same house, but some other homes nearby that have a similar footprint, floor plan, or something else, so they have some knowledge of what it's going to look like before you even get there. They also have access to things such as the MLS database. These are essential things that they have that have the behind the scenes stuff so they can see the taxes. They have the information on the MLS database. It's essential because they'll be able to send you stuff that you'll be able to take a look at, but also be able to help you out answering those questions that you have on the MLS and be able to send you listings that you're desired, basically based upon your home specifications, such as how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, and what style of house and where you have it located at. They'll also help you walk through the entire transaction from start to finish, making sure that your offer is going to be the best offer out there, and also helping to make sure that it is a complete offer, that you're not missing something that can end up getting you down the line, making sure you have all the right clauses to protect you